What's up everybody? So on some of these newer Mazdas, like for example on my 2024 Mazda 3, the wipers can't be lifted up off the windshield because the hood is blocking them, but there's a way to put them into accessory mode, which basically raises them up here and you can lift them off like that. Alright, so here's exactly how that's going to work. If your car is on, that's fine. If not, you can just put it in accessory mode like that. Okay, and just turn off accessory mode. Just turn it off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the wiper stick and click it upwards 3 times. Or twice, sorry. And now with the wipers up like that, you can actually take them and bend them upwards to replace them or clean or whatever the hell you need to do. And alright, so I'm going to show you how to put them back now. So we're back in the car, obviously, and the accessory mode is off and the wiper blades are up like that. So you need to put them back down. So just go back into accessory mode by clicking the the button here. All right, and then just click the wiper knob up again twice, and then they go back down again, and booyah! Bob's your uncle. That's how you do it. You can replace them. You can clean the windshield. Do whatever you got to do. It took me a while to kind of figure that out, which was annoying. And again, this is on my 2024 Mazda 3 Sport GT sold here in Canada. And so if your wiper blades on your Mazda are blocked by the hood, then let us know down in the comments and let us know if this trick helped you. And if you want to find out how to enable the infotainment system touchscreen while the car is in motion, make sure to check out this video now.